Listeners and learners, Mr. Zilke here with another YouTube tutorial video. We're using Google Drive, and in this video we'll be using Google Sheets to create a line graph. Now, line graphs show changes over time, so the data that we are actually going to collect is going to be our temperature. So by the end we'll have something that looks like this, a line graph showing the changes over time of the temperature in Toronto according to a weather forecast. So we have an earlier version here, so I'm just going to show you how I've done it. I started off creating new Google Sheets, and then I gave it a title, and I started creating a table. So on the left column of our table, we have the days of the week, and on the right column of our table, we have the temperature, which I've gotten from a website here. I'm going to show you how to enter the values into the table. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be 1 degree, then 4 degrees, then 4 degrees. So I'm going to go back and just double click on where you want to enter it. So Friday was 4 degrees. Double click on Saturday and type in 4 degrees again, because it was 4 degrees on Saturday. So now I want to put this into a line graph. I want to represent this data visually through a line graph that shows changes over time. I'm going to select data, click down, hold that click, and drag it all over all the data you want shown and represented on your graph. And then you say insert chart. So we're charting our data. Now we're showing changes over time. So instead of a bar graph, we would want to use a line graph. And we can customize this line graph a little. We can give it a title, Toronto weather forecast March 12th to 18th. And we can also label our axes. So we can label our horizontal axis as days of the week. We can also label our vertical axis. So we click here, it gives us a drop-down menu. We'll label our left vertical axis temperature, because we want to emphasize the units of measurement we're using. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Got the P. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn. Celsius. All right, now I'm going to insert the graph, the chart, and there it is. I have my line graph, so I'm visually representing this data. Now you can further customize it by clicking on quick edit mode, or you can click here and do the advanced edit, which will bring this window back up. You can add more things to it, play around with it, see which way you want to represent your data best. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take care.